In this video, I'm going to show you how you can host your AngularJS project on cPanel. This is really simple. Let me show you step by step. At first, I'll go to my project directory. Here you can see my Angular app. This is my project, and here I'm going to open command prompt. And I have to run here a command, and that is ng build space -- configuration space production. Now hit enter. Here you go, done. Now we'll remove it, and here you can see we got a folder called dist. Now we'll go inside this folder dist, and here you can see my Angular app. So we'll open it, and then we'll go for the browser, and here you can see this is our project. I mean, these are actually files we need to actually upload in cPanel. Now I will select all of them and I will zip them. So right click on it and compress to zip. Let's name it as my Angular app. Now we'll upload this in the cPanel. So let's go to the cPanel. So go to your cPanel. Currently I am in my cPanel. Here you can see. Now go for the file section. Here you can see files and go for the file manager option. In the left side, you will find a folder called public_html. So this is the default folder. I mean, when you go to the file manager, you will find this folder. But if you don't, just go to the public_html. In the left side here, you can see public_html. So click here. It will actually fetch all the content inside of it. Now select everything. Either you can delete them or you can move them into a new file. But I will delete them because these are not necessary for me. Now you can see the directory is empty. Now we'll upload it. I mean, upload our project. So click here, upload. Now let's go to the project directory. From here, we have this zipped folder. Now we'll actually drag and drop it here. 100% done. Now we'll go back to the previous folder, I mean the root folder called public_html, and from here we're going to unzip it. So extract it here. Fine. Now we don't need this app.zip. Okay, so we're going to delete this. Here you go. Now we'll go to the domain we have, and that is, in my case, my domain name is unipixel.com. I will hit enter, and here you can see this is a simple AngularJS project. Now if you want to change anything, you can change from index.html, where I click on it and click here edit, and now from here you can change anything. Let's say I am from cPanel. Click here save changes. If you go there and refresh, you can see changed. So I've shown you how you can upload or host your Angular app on cPanel. Thank you so much for watching.